Hi guys, a big warm welcome back to my channel. This is a really impromptu video because the doorbell has just rung and delivered me some goodies that I haven't opened yet, so I wanted to open them with you. They are a few more designer purchases. You may have noticed on my channel that there is a few designer handbags going on situation. I'm really sorry, but I've just become such a lover of them in my old age. I really appreciate a good handbag. Some people buy furniture, some people like to dine out and go on nights out. I love a handbag. That's what makes me happy. So these are from a brand called My Bag Online. I'll leave their details down below, and I just thought I would open them with you. I have a pair of Chloe sunglasses and a Marc Jacobs handbag, which I'm dying to style out. So which one should I do first? We've got Chloe, or we've got, let's do Marc. Okay, so you guys will know Marc Jacobs Beauty is one of my favorite beauty brands for my makeup. I wear a lot of their eyeshadows. Oh my gosh, their powder is like my go-to makeup. Like, I wouldn't be able to live without their Accomplice powder. And it's just really got me into the brand. Like, I love their branding. It's very me. I love their leopard print lipstick. I get it out my handbag and get very excited about it. So I had a look at their handbags and I really wanted this one because big, thick crossbody straps are so on trend. I love wearing them across jumpers, across coats. And I just saw this and I was like, this will go with so many of my cream khaki outfits that I got really excited about it. So this is what it comes out like. Also, My Bag Online is a great place to buy that kind of, like, you know how some designers aren't super expensive. I know they're still quite expensive, but they're not like Chanel. It's a great place for kind of like that beginner luxury market, and it has them all together in one place. There's a bit of Viv, love Vivienne Westwood. They've got Coach handbags are fantastic at the moment. There's always been a little bit of like a uncool thing about Coach because of what Anna Wintour says. There was a quote that said something about Coach bags are a joke, but they've come back and they have this kind of redesign, and I'm absolutely obsessed with the redesign. I put the handbag here. I was umming and ahhing between that one and this one, but we went for this one. So you can see already which one I picked up. So this is the bag I picked up. This is a Marc Jacobs, I'm gonna say this correctly, women's snapshot crossbody bag in the khaki color. They came in all different colors. There was white, there was black, there was blue, so whatever color you fancied. And then this is the gorgeous strap that it comes with it, and I just loved it to pair it over across things. Maybe I'll show you a few snapshots of me styling it in this video, but I'm absolutely obsessed. It's www.mybag.com. It's My Bag Online on Instagram, and oh my gosh, beautiful. It's just the perfect size to fit my vlogging camera in and a lippy, and that's all I sometimes need. So very excited about that. Now let's delve into the sunglasses. So Chloe is one of my favorite designers. I've been a huge fan of their sunglasses for so long. I think they look gorgeous with like floaty spring dresses. Sorry, plastic bag. So this is how it comes. This is the box it comes through. Can you see it? Yeah, there we go. That is the Chloe box that it comes in. So, I'm very excited about this. They had a really good selection of Chloe sunglasses as well. So here we are right here. This is the suede kind of case that it comes in with the little Chloe emblem on the top. Can you see? So that is the case that it comes in. So beautiful. And if we just pop it open, you'll see my sunglasses inside. I got the Chloe Women's Poppy Octagon Frame sunglasses in the color Havana Green Rose. These make me really happy. I love a good solid pair of really thick, big sunglasses. So here we go. These are them. They go really well with this dress. So these are the sunglasses right here. You'll see I'll put the editorial pictures where I totally fell in love with them right here. But oh my gosh, I love these. Summer, spring, oh my gosh, they're so well made as well. You can feel like they're, you know how some sunglasses look like they're gonna break? These are not. Let me come closer. Let me give you a close-up of the shades. They have like this gap here, like really intricate detailing around the side. I love the kind of like green to purple tinge as well. Absolutely love them. So yeah, they're my two little bit of designer purchases. I just thought I'd share you with them because I was literally sat here and the doorbell rang, so I was like, oh, got so excited. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Do let me know if you like these kind of little impromptu unboxings, because I can do a lot more of them if you want to. And yeah, please press subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. I'd love to have you stick around. I make lots of videos, even more at the moment. I'm so on a roll. And yeah, I love you. Leave you on my Instagram is @LauraBlair. Come say hey, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.